Well, some homeowners who live near Wesley Medical Center are fighting the hospital. Wesley wants to take out a century-old playground and replace it with a parking lot.
KAKE's Nick Nelson was at a meeting where some neighbors met with hospital leaders, and the meeting over this park got really contentious.
What's the matter with you? This is an advantage to have this in a community, not a disadvantage.
Margaret Anderson has lived in Sleepy Hollow in East Wichita for 15 years and says she's furious to learn Wesley Medical Center is looking to buy the neighborhood's park from the city and convert it into additional parking space.
The park is a big part of our community. Children are our future, and these kids in the park on the weekends, they have such a good time. Even the families of people that are sick over at Wesley, especially children, use the park to come over and decompress for a few minutes.
The Sleepy Hollow Neighborhood Association is also fighting to keep the park.
When the person who bought that property from the federal government in 1868, it was ranch land basically, and they wanted to preserve those areas along the creek as natural areas. So we believe it should be maintained as a natural area.
At a heated meeting between residents and Wesley Tuesday, many people asked the same question.
If you don't get Sleepy Hollow, what is your plan B?
Plan B, honestly, would probably be to be shuttling people in from another location somewhere.
Wesley CEO Bill Volich said the hospital has been in communication with the city to build a new playground closer to the nearby McDonald golf course.
I sympathize with the fact that the park's been there a long time. That's why it was important for us to make sure that we're working with the city on an option that would benefit the neighborhood, that would be an upgraded park with upgraded equipment, with upgraded everything, that will be, quite honestly, a safer park as well.
Volich says the medical center is growing so much it needs the extra parking space for patients, and the parking garage is deteriorating. Nick Nelson, KAKE News on your side.